We're on.
Left, Justin.
Do you get flanked?
Left.
The diffuser has been secured. Op 4 last stop standing.
Well done.
Op 4 last stop.
I got one.
I would be slamming my controller.
Nice.
I would shoot it, but that
I'm not
didn't
gonna
last
shoot
long.
That's one stairs.
Backstairs, backstairs.
Oh, dude!
Okay, I got a trade. A young one could use a res.
Jake, go.
I think I'm safe.
Alright.
No, I'm not safe. I'm not safe. To your left, Jake. Mine.
Jackal's on this
Jake
window.
left.
Below you.
Op 4
Below you.
last stop standing.
Yeah.
That's to his left.
He's. Yeah, that's up.
Yep.
Eliminated. Mission successful.
What the?
Op 4 located.
Nice.
I got bomb.
I got Desmos.
I was trying to pull up my fantasy app at work today.
Op 4. 10 seconds to go. 5 seconds
Play
left.
for. I don't know how.
Right side.
Play for a little bit, and then killed your.
Victorious.
Yeah, if you
my,
hold the right stick in, it'll pull out your
Aw.
stick in. I'm here with you, Jake. Good shots.
Did they just drop? Hang on. Intro first, then I res.
Op 4 last operator standing.
Did you die? Cody, hard right. Hard right.
All right.
She's in the room. Yeah. Yep.
Dude, I was
Oh,
literally.
I
standing
hit her
right
once. That's crazy.
I thought I did that.
Dude, look, I was just looking at her.
Cody low-key kind of going crazy. Hey Jesse, you know Juan?
You know one.
Oh, Cody, I'm so sorry.
I'm jumping in.
Holy
Jake, you're the best Claymore. You're the greatest Claymore ever.
I know. I did a great job.
Hey Jesse, you know one.
You know Juan, wee wee.
Ram coming to you, Jake. Ram coming to you.
Op 4 last
Thank you.
operator standing.
Oh, bad aim.
A bad game.
Just have an LMG. Nice.
Hey,
That's
W.
Eliminated. Mission
Yep.
Our revs.
Doc on me.
one op
I've
4
already got
remaining.
the other one.
Get her, fellas.
Oh, I'm so bad.
Thank goodness.
Neutralized.
Hey Jake.
A little bit of
I
bad
was
aim,
gonna
but-
kill him. I could have killed him. But
I
your
walked in
head
front of you.
ran across my screen. I about
Thank you
one
for
tapped
resisting.
you.
One friendly operator remaining.
We're on.
Left,
Do you
Justin.
get flanked?
Left.
Here comes Dustin.
The diffuser has been secured.
Huge.
Op 4 last stop standing.
Well done.
Op 4 eliminated.
Well done, man.
Oh, dude, talk about some siege timing. Damos got him.
Oh, Skylight. Ah, finally got. I killed Blackbeard. Finally.
Op 4 last
Last
op.
one, Skylight.
No, Jackal's one in that room. He's stuck in the corner.
He is not
Nice.
one.
Op 4 eliminated.
All right.
I've never heard more lies
Charlie.
in my life.
I knew he wasn't one. I just wanted to see you guys crush him.
Baby, I'm gonna knock him out. Jackal.
There's
Okay.
not.
I'm not gonna be able to challenge that.
They thermite is rolling.
No way.
Interior, yeah.
What the?
He on Percocets?
Breaking your ally will
I
be
don't know.
very
That guy's
challenging.
drunk.
That was not timing. And that one.
You have been spotted. Op 4,
Nice.
last stop standing.
Yeah, good job, fellas.
Justin, what? Are you guys in?
I am indeed in.
Op 4, last operator standing.
He's going back towards Kiwi. Yeah.
I reported. Hey, Doc. Going down.
Why didn't he start?
No, Doc's behind the.
Go. Doc's making a move.
He's down again. Oh, he's not down.
Enemy
Last stop
eliminated!
standing.
Can you watch? I'm playing. Playing? Where you can just go.
Good job.
Friendly mission successful.
Crazy.
Right there. I would shoot it, but that
I'm
brick
not
doesn't
gonna
last
check it out.
long.
Oh, that was.
If you want me to, I can. Got it. Go for it. Good. They might have. They blew a hole in the wall.
He's not there, Cody. He's dead.
Last operator standing.
Last one's on Jesse.
Boys. What one mixer? Where'd I get shot from? Oh, he was crawling. Good kill, Joe.
He's droning freezer out.
One op 4 remaining.
Last one stairs.
Back stairs.
Oh,
Victorious.
dude!
Hostiles eliminated.
Clip that, Jake. Watch this.
Oh, I'm definitely clipping that.
I'd be
That
slamming
round
my
was crazy
keyboard.
for me.
Get the handlebars.
I'm glad my sacrifice was not in vain.
Good stuff. We.
And then this wall is just open. So be careful. There's someone there
One's on tower.
too. Yeah, that's a fucking crazy angle. The Legion is
Huh?
he's on tower stairs.
Hey Jay, we can watch this drone.